So, hello, once again I'm back on my old trustworthy Dell Alienware M17 R5 AMD edition. As always, I'm recording locally and streaming. Today, once again, we are on YouTube Live service. Let's check out the system, the stream, if it works. Vivaldi browser. Here we are. Okay, nice. Of course it works. Now, before I will continue, let me show you the system information first through the GUI by using the system settings, then going in about the system, and finally we are here. CachyOS Linux, KDE Plasma 6.6.5, the Linux kernel is 7 something something. The system has 32 GB of RAM and 2 TB of SD storage. The CPU is AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX. And the GPU is also an AMD Radeon RX 6800M. And now let's go to the terminal, like this, and then like this, zoom in a bit, and here we are. You can pause the stream, or later when the video will be available on the YouTube channel, you can pause the video. Take a good look everything at your own pace, but please pay attention to the screen resolution, which is right now in full 4K, 3840 by 2160, using a scale of 1.5 or 150% if you will, and 120 Hz. However, I'm recording and streaming at 60 FPS today. Today we're going to have fun. Hopefully everything will hopefully everything will go well, and we'll have no problem with the craziness that I'm going to do. Already started by streaming and recording at 4K 60 FPS, but you know what I mean. Anyway, what is CachyOS and what is KDE Plasma? So here we are. I'm going to read first the Wikipedia pages. When you're trying to locate stuff about CachyOS, you are land on this Arch Linux Wikipedia page, and somewhere here on the derivatives and other products, the very last one is CachyOS, and it says here, this one. CachyOS is a Linux distribution based on Arch Linux with many changes and optimizations intended to improve performance on newer hardware developed for gaming on Linux, among other things. As of March 2026, CachyOS is the most popular desktop distro on ProtonDB, overtaking Arch Linux. And then we can go ahead and read about the KDE Plasma. KDE Plasma is a graphical cell developed by the KDE community for Unix-like operating systems. It serves as the interface layer between the user and the operating system, providing a graphical user interface (GUI) and workspace environment for launching applications, managing windows, and interacting with files and system settings. Plasma is designed to be modular and adaptable, with different variants tailored for specific device types, such as Plasma Desktop for personal computers and Plasma Mobile for smartphones. And yesterday I thought I was going crazy, but today we are back at normal things. So I was usually, that's what I remember, I was linking to this website. Today works just fine, just like in the past. And it reads, Plasma by KDE, simple by default, powerful when needed, blah blah blah. But then yesterday I located this one. I think this is the new version, this is the default version nowadays. So I'm moving forward, this link always on my YouTube videos. So yeah, and this one reads, Plasma is a desktop. Come on, be gone panel. Okay, it went away. Plasma is a desktop. Use Plasma to surf the web, keep in touch with colleagues, friends and family, manage your files, enjoy music and videos, and get creative and productive at work. Do it all in a beautiful environment that adapts to your needs and with the safety, privacy protection, and peace of mind that the best free open source software has to offer. And of course it has plenty of good information, and it mentions the latest release, which is of course Plasma 6.6. Anyway, now you know that I'm not crazy, at least regarding this one. And this is the official website about CachyOS. Let me zoom in a bit. Performance first Linux built on ARCs. CachyOS ships every package optimized for your CPU, compiled with x86, 64, v3, v4, z4 instructions, LTO and PGO, on top of a custom kernel with a tuned EE VDF scheduler. The result, a noticeably faster Arch Linux experience with the same rolling release flexibility you expect. And of course, as always, plenty of good information here. It will be nice reading here on the wiki, of course, too. Anyway, now you know a couple things regarding Plasma and CachyOS. So regarding my progress here, I already showed you yesterday. Customizing goes well. A few things maybe left, but we'll know more today. So right now I will try to move to the second. Let me think about it. Let's start from the first workspace like this. I will launch now the game and move it on the second screen afterwards. I think it's possible, so we'll learn together. And this game, it's called Final Fantasy version 14. It's a massive multiplayer online role-playing game, MMO as the people mostly use around the world. So I'm not going to play, of course, the game, just going to load the game and try to test the system, having the game loaded, streaming, recording 60 FPS, and then I will try to load as many applications as possible. And what's important, in the past with the KDE Plasma, with the KDE Plasma, sorry for this one, I used to have a few crashes because I'm using a couple Kwin scripts that they weren't cohabiting together, and yeah, we'll see. But first and foremost, let me try to move the game to another workspace, if it's possible, of course. Let me see. Nice. Okay, now the game is on workspace 2. I don't know if it happens now. I will know after the stream, most probably. Usually when using to jump between the workspaces, the 1 through 4 that I have, this tool, this graphical notification, usually it leaves some ghosting on the stream, on the video. But I hope it's not a problem now. And also keep in mind that I'm not seeing it myself. So it's mostly something, if you are seeing it, a ghost in the machine as far as the streaming and the recording concerned. But I don't see it. For me, it just goes away right after a second maybe. Anyway, right now I'm in the main city. It's a hub, so to speak, for the people that are playing the game. Now I've zoomed a little bit closer to my character, and this is how the system performs right here. Now I'll go a bit inside where the people are located. As you can see, more names appear on the screen. These blue bars are basically people that are playing the game at this point in time. And now I will move outside the city hub. I will just try to kill a few more mobs or something. Not a few more, couple mobs. And we'll see. Anyway, maybe you have noticed on this panel here, you can see the FPS of the game. And at the city state, at the hub, it was like 40 something FPS, and then it went up at 60 and stayed there. The game runs very smoothly. I don't know how it's on the stream or even the recording, but yeah, it seems amazing. I have like zero lag at all. It's like perfect. Now going back again in the city hub on the main place. the Plaza, so to speak. I think it's called Plaza. I think Aetherite Plaza, I think it's called. So I'll move there and leave the character there. I will leave the game running, and then I will try to check out the rest of the apps and then switch back to the game, and then check some more apps and then back switch to the game, and we will see. So yeah, so far so good. No crashes, nothing. I was fearing that it may happen pretty soon, but so far no problem. So let's go now and open up a few applications. I've already have my Vivaldi browser, so we'll start with system settings and everything that is located on my dock. And also, while we will be loading the applications, we will also note not just the performance, but how deep the customizing, the theming, the rising, however you want to call it, truly goes. From my knowledge, most of my apps work perfectly fine, but we will see. Okay, this one took its time, but I think it's something related to the app and not truly how the system performs. As you can see, GIMP came up pretty fast, pretty quickly, all things considered. Let's go with Kdenlive 2. And now let's just move to the game. Boom. Just like that. Nothing. No problem at all. Boom. Boom. No problem whatsoever. And now we'll move to another workspace. Oh, you know what? No. On the same workspace. I'll keep loading more apps. I'll go, for example, and load Inkscape. Why not? Let's move it here in the center. Let's go to Krita as well. Why not? Okay, nice. Let's open up an image, a biggie, and also let's go and keep opening a few more apps, like for example, LibreOffice Writer. Why not? I will just type the usual suspect, like this one. You know, this is a standard test that I always like to do. Then let's go with PDF Arranger. Why not? Also, let's go with Joplin, like this. Perfect. And now let's go back to the game. Boom. Like nothing. Expose, OBS settings. No problem whatsoever. Trackpad, I will use the trackpad or the touchpad if you prefer. No problem whatsoever. Yeah. Beautiful wallpaper. I like it quite a lot. But let's keep on going. Let's keep on loading a few more apps, like weird apps like Flat Seal, like Parabolic. Why not? These are always a trouble to customize, to theme properly. What else? Sorry, yeah, local send, why not? How about Firefox? Let's load Firefox as well. It hasn't been my browser for a while now. I've been using Vivaldi browser, and today it had a new version, a cool version if you ask me. Nice update. What else? What else? Menu editor, yeah, why not? Okay, right, why not? Nice. Micro, I don't know, maybe Vim 2, yeah, okay. Let's go back to the game. Yeah, like nothing, like butter, so to speak. Oh, Another nice wallpaper. OBS now with the touchpad. Like nothing. Smooth experience. What else? I think this is already something that no one else will do, but while we are here, let's keep on pushing a bit more. CachyOS, hello. Okay, this one got the theme just fine too. I wasn't remembering, I wasn't sure. Bundle manager, yeah, of course, no problem. Yeah, I think I'm overdoing it now. As you can see, no problem whatsoever. This one is still a puzzle for me. This app image here seemingly doesn't work. Flatpak no problem, AUR no problem, packages no problem. I can search and install stuff, but app image I cannot search for anything. Maybe I'm really dumb, an old cow, but yeah. Anyway, back to the thing. Arc. Yeah, as you can see, mostly everything works just fine, adhering to the theme and all that. At this point, I must say that even if an app doesn't adhere to the theme, who cares? It's like 99% everything goes well. Streaming, recording, 60 FPS, having the game loaded, no problem at all. Going to another wallpaper, workspace, OBS settings, back to the game, boom, just like that. No problem at all. Yeah, I will exit the game now. To me, the test has been done. It's baked, it's cooked. Truly no problem whatsoever. As far as myself concerned, the system, it's very smooth, very responsive, no matter what I was doing. And now I'm trying to close as soon as possible all the apps, and back to Vivaldi and OBS left. Perfect. So yeah, as you can see, CachyOS is rocking the boat. Yeah, no problem whatsoever. Like Fedora, like Arch Linux, like most modern Linux distributions, just fine. You will be the judge regarding the gaming aspect because I'm not a gamer, but as you can see, while streaming, recording at 60 FPS, full 4K resolution, having the game open and having so many apps open, no problem whatsoever, even in this few years old machine. It's like, I don't know, 4 years old, 5 maybe. So yeah, pretty good. No need to drag this any longer. Did I forget anything? I'm trying to remember if I've forgotten something. Oh yeah, of course, the OBS settings. I didn't show you the OBS settings. Of course, here I am. Full 4K resolution, 60 FPS, no lies detected. Output 30,000 bitrate. Hardware, of course, encoders, audio encoder FMPEG AAC, video encoder FMPEG VAPI H.264, and I'm using the MKV file. So yeah, hopefully you liked what you saw. More things are coming, trust me, and yeah, so far so good. As always, thank you for everything and see you on the next one. Bye!